Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vic and I'm here to give you some angel guidance today. So I've made a very specific reading for you guys, and today we are going to be covering three things in our angel reading. The first is what is the blessing coming your way, or what manifestation is coming your way, or any messages that the angels have for you. The second would be what is your lucky angel number, and the third is what do you need to release or what do you need to let go of to manifest more things. So I think I'm gonna start our reading now. So all you need to do to receive your angel pick a card reading is choose either the number 1 or the rose quartz crystal. You can have a look at it, or you can choose the number 2 or the clear quartz crystal. So after you have made your choice, let's begin the reading now. So for those guys who have chosen the number 1, okay, I'm gonna start with what are you releasing or what are you letting go, and then we can move forward to the other topics. So I just feel that you are a person who loves to worry. Okay, I am getting this first card of let go itself. I am feeling that you need to let go of your worries. You need to let go of continuously stressing about the outcome. I feel that you have put a lot of input into something, and I'm just feeling that you need to let go of the consequences, or you need to let go of the outcome. I also feel that I'm getting this message of wait. So maybe you are in this waiting phase of your life right now. This could be about your love life, your career, your health, any topic that's not moving forward as you expected it to. But I am getting this message that this is your time to stay still. This is your time to wait for your manifestation to come through. This is your time to just let the angels do their magic and send what is required your way. I'm also getting what's coming next, or what are you manifesting next, is actually take action. So I'm feeling that very soon you're going to get out of this stagnant energy, or you're going to be moving forward in a very quick manner. That is why the universe is making you wait. I feel for some of you guys, this is also making me feel that either this is you taking charge of your destiny, or if somebody has asked about love or angel message for love, then I'm feeling that the angels are telling you that somebody is arriving very soon in your life. Your wait is going to be over. I feel that the month of November is going to bring a lot of blessings your way. I just think that this waiting period is going to give you the rewards that you never expected. So keep at it. The lucky angel number that I sense for you today is 888. You can write this number, or you can just write it in your journal. Start your day by writing the number 888. Angels, abundance, such words you can write down, or you can just see the number 888 and take it as a sign that the angels are listening to you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be moving on to number 2 or the clear quartz crystal now. So let me see what are you releasing and what is coming your way. Okay, so over here I'm actually sensing timelines. I'm sensing 2 timelines. So I feel that you need to let go of timelines. Okay, so I'm getting this meditation brings answers. So I feel that you need to let go of timelines. You need to let go of forcing things to happen. I am also feeling that for some people this could be about waiting on finances, or waiting on money coming in. But I do feel that the universe, the angels are looking after you. I feel that you need to believe that you are going to do great when it comes to your career. You're going to do great when it comes to your finances. You're going to attract a lot of new career opportunities. If you have your own business, then I feel that very soon it's gonna pick up. The pace is gonna pick up. I also feel this opportunity card is coming in. So it's making me feel that even though things might not be as fast as you expect, but I do feel that a lot of abundance is coming in for you. If you have invested in something in the past, then the rewards are also coming for you. But I do feel that you need to release timelines. I feel that you are doing great, and just have faith in the angels and in the universe. They are looking after you. What are you manifesting is that very soon a lot of changes are going to be coming your way. I am getting this within the few months or the year, or within the coming year. So I feel that the new year and the coming months are going to bring a lot of good news your way. For certain people, I don't know, like I also see some sort of commitment coming your way regarding love, or if you are in a relationship, then I feel that you could be getting into a more serious conversation with your partner very soon. You're going to be taking the next step. Things are going to be moving forward in a very good manner. But I feel that whatever you could not overcome or achieve this year, the next year or the coming few months are going to be bang on, and they are going to bring a lot of good news your way. Your lucky angel number to me seems 111. I feel that whenever you see this number around, just believe that the angels are looking after you and that you are protected and blessed at all times. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I also offer an angel reading on my page, so you can book your personal angel readings with me, and I hope we get to see each other soon.